YouTube? It's Mr. Shadow 1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas. Today we are docked here at their private island. Perfect day at Coco Cay. We're going to check out the top decks of the Anthem of the Seas, starting here on deck 15. But let's look at what you really want to see. Coco Cay. It is a beautiful, perfect day here at Coco Cay. We're looking about mid-80s in Fahrenheit. That's also, about 20, about 28 degrees, maybe 29 Celsius. Oh yeah, here's Gigi, the giraffe. And the rock climbing wall. Off to our right side, the starboard side of the ship, we're looking at Great Stirrup Cay. This is Norwegian's private island. And floating offshore here is the Silver Sea Explorer. Just kind of hanging out here in the private island area. We're walking toward the forward part of the ship on the starboard side on the jogging track. And here we come up to the main pool. Looks like they got a movie playing on the pool deck. Looks like it's Elf being played on the big screen. Over the ways there is Freedom of the Seas. That is Anthem's older, yet smaller, slightly smaller sister. And there's the North Star. Little capsule will take you up to 300 feet above sea level. Another view of the main pool deck from the North Star bar. Nice view of Freedom from here too. Hello, Freedom. Up here is where we have the flow rider. And behind the flow rider is the ripcord, I Fly. So we capture some flow rider action.
You ready? Let's go.
Hey, it's Mr. Shadow 1969 coming to you from the Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas. We're here on deck 14. We're going to check out the main pool, which we just saw. And now we'll go forward into the indoor pool. And here is the indoor pool. There's also a few hot tubs here, and it's fully enclosed, but the roof can be opened. Unfortunately, looks like the Solarium is closed right now. We'll get back to it another day. And this is me, Mr. Shadow 1969. Hope you liked this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe. Hope you appreciated it. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.